mine. Okay.
And so,
His neck is just a mess. Good boy.
I don't know where he came from. I'm just
Oh, yeah.
client.
Oh, my goodness.
The client bought him a year ago, and you're good. And I don't know a lot about him. He's just an awful nice horse to be around. I knew though that. I mean, I usually bring them crazy ones that you can't touch, but this one here's easy to shoe and everything. So he's nice, just nice and beautiful.
There you go. A little more.
But the colt, it's just it's a mystery. I don't know.
Good boy. There you go.
I think the best thing would be is nice grass and sunshine where you can be outside.
Oh, yeah.
He's
Got you licking and chewing a little bit there, huh, buddy? Yeah, there you go. One more. There we go. You hear that? So he was real bad in the lower neck there. He's gonna get a little, oh. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you're fine. There you go.
when I got him in November, this horse was so head shy you couldn't do anything with him. And
There.
I got him where now he puts his bridle release.
He's
He
good.
don't mind it, even with all this going on. You know,
There you go. Yeah.
should have brought him over probably then, that's what I should have done. But
There we go. Check your jaw here, so the jaw's way out too. There we go. Yeah, that was a big release on your neck, huh? That feel pretty good? That feels pretty good. That can make them real funny, movement wise. There we go. When their neck's this bad, I like to start with it.
That first thing.
Yeah, when they're that tied up there, then they accept the rest of it a lot better, since he's never been done. There we go. You wiggling? Are you wiggling around? Good boy. There we go, good.
His left shoulder is worse than.
Yeah, he's canning it out to the left side. When you see him move, you can see it on the video.
Otherwise, when he moves with that foot, this right foot, he just jams it. This one, he's a little crooked on his ankle, but
He goes up and out to the
he goes,
side.
yeah, a little bit. That
And
might
not listen.
throws just a little bit.
Good boy. Should we get your last one down here? Should we get that adjusted? Oh, you're good. You're good. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
Fits, it'll lead horse for somebody.
Nice. Oh, you like that? Yeah. You like that, huh? Is that feeling better? This one needed that for sure. He really needed it. He's got a
Ooh, he says I'm kind of drunk.